Okay, I just tried a painting with these colors, and it totally bombed because it looked like it had silicone in it, but it could have popped off all the white spots because of the fact that the base coat was so thin. So I'm gonna try it without a base coat, using what's left of these paints, and see what I figure out about how I got that result. I mean, it literally looks like silicone in it, and I know there was no silicone in these paints. None. So it's got me flipped out. So I'm just gonna see what I can do. Use up what little dab is left of this stuff. Need to get rid of it anyway. Only got a tiny little bit. This is pink eraser that's been lightened a whole lot. I think that's a apple barrel color. And put some copper or bronze, I'm not sure. Maybe bronze. I think I put all that gold in the last one. No, a little bit, little tiny bit. And some black. Now, since I don't have a base coat, I'm gonna add some more white, because I want to be sure I have enough. And I've already got a cell inside a cell inside a cell inside the cup. Interesting. Probably just messed it up right then. But we will see. May not have anything but black and gray, and black and white. Gray. It's popping up some weird looking cells again. I think this is because it's thin. It has to be almost. I'm not gonna pop any bubbles. So, see how all those cells came out that are like cells inside of cells? What part do I like? I really like this one. Pretty sure I have a big blob. Ooh, a gigantic blob. This is like 1960s psychedelic fabric. That's what this is reminding me of. This is all going to stretch out now and go ugly. Hopefully it won't go too ugly. Space rocks. Hardly any color. I just didn't have enough of those colors left. I don't know where my metallics went. Thought maybe there was a blob in there. little bit of that corner off. Certainly is strange looking. Well, I don't know about this. I think I've had this happen before, and that's why I thickened up my paints. Because while I like what some stuff does, I think when you do a flip cup, you get totally different results than you do like with a straight pour or whatever. So we will see. This certainly is interesting. I mean, it's not boring, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I guess I'll let it dry and see if there's a place right there that looks just like a silicone resist, like bare canvas is showing. So I'm gonna do that. I know there's no silicone in this paint. I know there isn't. My memory does fail me at times, but I'm positive there's no silicone in this paint. Well, at least a little of the green is showing. Hopefully as it dries or as it sits, we'll see more of the bronze or gold or whatever in the way of metallics that I had in there. So thank you for watching. So here's my Rocky Paradise. I might just name it Rocky Paradise. I just don't know how I got all these cells, because I don't think it's all that beautiful. I like the round cells, you know, the ones that hold their shape. I'm not crazy about these that go every which way. But that green is coming through turquoise in some spots, like right in there. Right up in here a little bit. I think I'm seeing a little gold or bronze right in there. So, thank you for watching.